we're back. I believe I have found the problem. So I'm going to go back in here and hide the faces and try to recreate what I did. Alright. I'm going to hide this one face. And there is a line. I'll let you see it. I just selected that line. And it thinks it's a face. It says face 3558 selected, but to me it looks like a line. So I'm going to delete that, and we're going to unhide all, and we still have all our faces back. So that would be that error, and it's probably the same thing for all of these. So we'll go over here and select faces here to hide, and we still have a line there. If I could just select that line, can't have ignore back facing. Checked. So let's unhide all. Well, let's make sure I'm not deleting anything off the bottom. I don't see anything, so. Alright, let's go to the other side and get rid of the imaginary faces that 3D Max syncs there. And they would be guessing right here on this object. And I'm getting a phone call, so let me put this on pause. Alright, okay. My phone. Let's hide these, and I'm gonna have to that one, and we have one more to do. And if you really can't see what I'm saying, or see what I'm doing, I'm hiding the faces here that were creating errors. If I can talk straight. And I'm selecting over this orange line. Okay, and it highlighted that line, and that is supposed to be a face, but so 3ds Max basically, when you export this and compile it with Tool gets an error on this face because it's a tiny, it's like a line. It's like a triangle that's basically a line, and that's really a 3D Max problem rather than a HEC problem. Alright, so I'm gonna export this one more time to get my new list of errors. And it's taking its time again. And it's taking a long time. Okay. So let's import the WRL file again. And actually, like earlier in the tutorial, I selected jump it. I don't know if y'all noticed that. Okay. And more errors there, man. That's really getting on my nerves. Really. Let's go fix these down here. There's probably more lines there I never deleted. Okay. Seems like a simple fix to me. Yep. I'm gonna hide these faces so I can see through. Okay, this triangle's fine. This triangle's fine. However, this one is not. And the easiest thing for me to do, instead of creating faces, would be to drag these verts down. Just go into vertex mode, hit target again, and I'm just going to drag that down, and that should fix that error. I'm going to save it before it's too late and this thing crashes on accident. And there is one up here. Let's see if I can import that without having to export again. If I select the right one this time. There we go. We got problems here on the top and bottom. So let's delete. Select our object, go into face mode, and it looks like that's our problem right there. And in this case, we're going to have to create faces. So let's create one here and one this way. Okay. And I guess I need to set those to 4. Alright. Let's go to the bottom side. And delete that. Create. The 2 new faces. And again, we're going in a counterclockwise direction. Making a new triangle. Get out of create mode. Set to an ID of 4. And doesn't look like we have the same problems over there. Alright. Let's file, save. Let's export this again. And compile it. See how many errors we get. Oh, look at that. And we have a successful compile. And we'll actually be able to do Sapien on this. And so on. So we have a successful compile, and we've gotten rid of all the errors out of the map. There's probably still a couple warnings in here, but this is fine for us. And thank you for watching. I hope this helped you out figuring out how to fix errors, what to look for, and how to follow the sealed world rules. Thanks again for watching.